Imagine you're at the park and you trade your toy car for your friend's comic book. You just made a trade, just like in the stock market. Today, we're going to explain the stock market, but not just once. We're breaking it down for 5 different ages. From 7 to 70, we'll show you how it works. By the end, you'll understand something that affects every dollar you earn, whether you know it or not. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you and your friends run a lemonade stand. You each put in $5 to buy supplies. Now, if the lemonade stand becomes super popular, your share of the profits goes up. That's like owning a piece of a company. If someone else wants to join, they might pay you for a share of the stand. That's like buying stock in a company. If the lemonade stand becomes famous, your shares might be worth more. If it fails, they might be worth less. That's how stock prices work. But in the real world, this gets a lot more interesting. Now imagine you have a part-time job and you're saving up for a new phone. You might not realize it, but the price of that phone is affected by the stock market. When companies do well, they can afford to make better products. When they struggle, prices might go up or down. For example, in 2021, a single day on social media caused the stock of a video game store to jump 260% in just hours. That's because millions of people were buying and selling shares at the same time, all based on what they saw online. Now let's see the machinery behind all of this. When you look at the stock market on a global scale, it's not just about one company. It's about entire countries and billions of people. The S&P 500 alone represents over $40 trillion in assets. That's the combined value of 500 of the biggest US companies. Historically, big events like wars, elections, and even pandemics have caused huge swings in stock prices. Economists like Adam Smith and John Maynard Keynes debated how markets should be managed, and their ideas still shape the world today. But theory is one thing. Here's how it plays out in real life. For adults, the stock market isn't just about watching prices. It's about making smart choices with your money. If you invest in the stock market, you're betting that companies will grow and that you'll earn money over time. But it's not just for individuals. Companies use the stock market to raise money for new projects, hiring, and expansion. And governments use the stock market to signal economic health or trouble to the world. And finally, the lesson that only decades of experience can teach. For seniors, the stock market is a living history book, showing how generations of people have made, lost, and rebuilt wealth. In 1929, the stock market crashed and caused the Great Depression. In 2008, another crash led to a global financial crisis. But history also shows that people adapt. New technologies, new policies, and new markets emerge, and with them, new opportunities. The stock market is more than just numbers. It's a reflection of human ambition, risk, and resilience. And what current trends mean for future generations. From a simple lemonade stand to a global financial system, the stock market is a game of choices, and those choices shape the world. Which level changed how you think about money?